With Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's trial now on a week's break after almost a month of eye-opening testimony, fans are pointing out inconsistencies as they rake over the information presented in court. Amber Heard testifies for 2 days in Johnny Depp's libel case against her last week. Heard's evidence follows that of numerous other witnesses, including Depp, who testified for 4 days last month. The Aquaman actress has proven so many times before that she has told a lot of lies over the years in reference to this Depp-Heard ongoing chaos. So, during her stand, what might have been the testimonies she has left, and what were the inconsistencies noticed by Johnny's camp and supporters? We'll find out the answers to that and more in this video, but first, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and you smash that notification bell for more updates on this. Now, let's dive in. Heard claimed Depp attacked and mistreated her numerous times while on the stand, and her evidence was frequently vivid. She also discussed how they met and how their love developed. However, as fans and supporters comb through the information presented in the court, followers are pointing out contradictions. Both stars have accused each other of utilizing substances and domestic harm throughout their respective testimonies. Yet, both have rejected that they hurt one another on several occasions. While the barrage of claims and courtroom scenes have sparked a firestorm of discussions on social media, people are also scrutinizing assertions made by both Heard and Depp that don't appear to line up. Here are some of the testimonies and statements made in court that have left fans scratching their heads. The Great Makeup Debate. Fans watching the televised trial came out in force questioning an opening statement before either of the actors even took the stand. Elaine Bredehoft, Heard's attorney, said last month that the actress used makeup to hide her bruises throughout her relationship with Depp. This is what Amber carried in her purse for the entire relationship with Johnny Depp, said Bredehoft while holding a makeup palette aloft in the courtroom. In response to the statement, Milani Cosmetics posted a video on TikTok claiming that the Conceal and Perfect all-in-one correcting kit that Bredehoft was allegedly holding was not in circulation during Heard and Depp's relationship, which lasted from 2012 to 2016. You asked us, let the record show that our correcting kit launched in 2017, Milani's caption read on the video, which went viral and clocked up millions of views within hours. It was also used as apparent proof of a lie across social media. Take note, alleged maltreatment was around 2014 to 2016, got divorced 2016, makeup palette release date December 2017. Read the text added to the video. Heard testifies Depp held his dog out of car window. Heard remembered an incident in which Depp allegedly howled while holding his dog out the window of a moving automobile on the first day of her evidence, on May 4th. Everyone in the car just froze. No one did anything, she said as she took the stand. I, too, was torn as to what I should do. Heard stated that she did not want to make Depp react or drop the dog. It was an eerie moment, she said. She was eventually able to pull his arm back inside the car and secure the dog in the seat. According to Heard, since her testimony, video footage of Heard smiling while holding a little dog by the open window of a driving vehicle has been published on TikTok. Heard said she avoided intimate scenes in movies. Heard also said during her testimony that Depp was so jealous of her that she avoided doing intimate scenes for fear of upsetting him. I had to bargain every time I got a script, she testified, per The Independent. She claimed Depp's alleged surveillance of her made her more conscious of how I was dressing, what sort of behavior I'd have. Did I have a love scene? In whatever film part she was pursuing. According to the actress, this drove her to minimize kissing scenes and alter the attire to tone things down. I couldn't have a love scene, she added. It didn't happen all at once, of course. It happened little by little. A fan responded by posting a video of her dancing in the final dance scene of one of her previous films, Magic Mike XXL. Heard mentioned that she had to take conservative roles because Johnny Depp would get very jealous and possessive and had to pass up any roles that involved her with another man. However, when questioned about the experience of doing her scene in the aforementioned film, Heard replied, I was brought in, we shot it, and it was a lot of fun. Heard claims she has never played the guitar. According to Insider, as Heard spoke about one of the arguments she and Depp reportedly had, jurors were given images of the aftermath. A snapshot of a guitar was exhibited in the courtroom among the bed sheets, broken glass, and damaged windows. On Thursday, one of the images put into evidence showed a guitar, Depp's favorite instrument, with stains on it. "I've never played the guitar," Heard said when questioned about it. A user submitted footage of Heard strumming a guitar and singing in a segment from her movie One More Time, which premiered on Starz Digital in 2016, in another TikTok video refuting this. The mysterious case of Depp's hurt finger. In a case that has left more doubts than answers, Depp testified on April 20th about a confrontation in which Heard reportedly hurled a huge glass bottle at him, injuring him and hurting a portion of his fingertip. He said of Heard, "She threw the large bottle, and it made contact with the bar and shattered everywhere. I honestly didn't feel the pain at first. I felt heat. And I felt as if something were dripping down my hand, and then I looked down and realized the tip of my finger had been cut, and I was looking directly at my bone sticking out. I don't know what a nervous breakdown feels like, but that's probably the closest I've ever been." The actor added, "I knew in my mind and my heart, this is not life. This is not life. No one should have to go through it." When asked what he told the medical professionals had happened, Depp said, "I lied to him. I said that I had smashed it in these large accordion doors," adding that he lied because he didn't want to disclose that Heard was the one who allegedly caused the injury. "I didn't want to get her in trouble. I tried to just keep things as quiet and as easy as possible for everyone," he said. "I did not want to put her name in that mix." Heard had refuted the claim, claiming that Depp cut his fingertip himself while inebriated for 3 days. She also claimed that during the altercation, Depp would really mistreat her. Resurfaced Amber Heard interview contradicts testimony with Johnny Depp. When Amber Heard testified that she wasn't a fan of Johnny Depp before their relationship, she appeared to contradict herself. Courtney Mack, a TikTok user, unearthed an interview from the ex's press tour to their film The Rum Diary from October 2011 and merged it with footage of Heard testifying in court on Wednesday to show how her account allegedly altered. "I knew who he was," Heard, 36, testified. "As seen in the video, I wasn't familiar, I wasn't a fan of his work. I was familiar with him." The montage then cuts to a decade-old She Knows interview, in which Heard was asked whether she was a fan of Depp growing up. "I mean, who isn't a fan of Johnny's? That's a given," she quickly replied. "He's been a cultural icon and a talented actor for as long as I can remember," the actress said. Social media users flocked to the comment section of the video to accuse Heard of perjury. At this point, she made up so many lies that she cannot remember what she has said. One viewer wrote, "Caught lying in court under oath?" Another user alleged. Even Depp's legal team has accused his ex-wife of acting on the stand, telling Page Six once that Heard delivered the performance of her life, a statement that her rep described as an example of attacking the victim and refusing to take responsibility. Depp's lawyers have been limiting their objections during her testimony, because, who knows, Amber Heard might drag herself down on her own after all. Her testimonies are starting to go against each other, and the world is thrilled to hear more. That's all for today. We hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and smash that notification bell for more episodes.